So we're entering the festival part of Columbus Days on the square in Columbus, Kansas. The courthouse is right over there. You see it goes all around. Lots of people here today. Let's see if we can see anything, guys. We just got done watching the parade. So yeah, there's a lot of booths around here. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Sorry. Hello.
Oh wow.
Hey, yo, how you guys doing?
How's it going?
Look at the pastries. The beekeepers.
3 gallons of milk.
Let's go kind of zigzag here. I know it's that side of the booth, so we'll go this way. Oops. Excuse me. Excuse me.
He's on while you're mowing the yard.
Excuse me.
Hey, you doing?
More big goods.
She's still in her uniform. Like, you're gonna get one. I can't get one.
Some pottery. Hello. That decorated over there. Beef sticks of popcorn.
We just got a few to see how they would go.
Some more baked goods. Someone's going to the World Series. Oh, excuse me. Pepper Ridge hot sauce. Free balloons. And sewing.
I'll make puzzle balls, kitchen scrubbies. Sewing machine, sign fell down.
Some of the old tractors over there. So we're going to go in this way for a while, and then we're going to see what's coming around and go back to the tractors. Excuse me. So they sell sweet treats there. Crochet, look at some dragons over there.
Yeah, she just left. She got sick.
They're selling boutique over here. Western and boutique stuff.
You're not going to go in there? Right?
Actually, this booth's sitting on this side. Let's see what they got real fast. They're selling girly. So with crafting. How you doing?
I'm gonna want it. I said, or sunglasses.
So let's check out these few booths over here we got left on this side.
You know what, Tessa, I say all kinds of stories all the time of things that I didn't know about. Yeah, we used to jump off the balcony.
We already watched that with your husband, not with him. It's good to see. We're going to keep it. Thank you. Let's go back. Let's see all the pizza.
Alright, we gotta kind of cross here for a minute. Where'd race go?
I'm not going
More arts and crafts over here. Okay, let's go ahead and go back up front here, guys, and see what's on this side of the square. There's some scarecrows. Alright guys, we've worked ourselves back up this side of the square, so there's a whole group of people over here, so I'm kind of seeing what's going on over here. Oh, it's the car show, I think. Oh, a lot of people standing in one of the areas for a car show. Look like they're standing in a circle. Oh, no, they're doing performance over there. Well, we're going to go to the car show over here. Yeah, it looks like they're doing a performance in this middle of the street. So we're going to go over here on this side of the car shows. Alright, so we're on this side of the virtual roller coaster ride. So we're on this side of the walkthrough at Columbus Days. They got clowns over there doing balloon animals for the kids. Got some more booths over here. They got inflatables over there. I think this is mostly the food truck area. It smells really good here. I wish you guys I wish I had smell-o-vision. You can smell the hamburgers and hot dogs and lots of food trucks here. So yeah, so the food trucks are going on here. Lots of people around here. So we're going to cut around this side. Everybody's getting that way. Don Juan's and Baxter screens. Ghetto tacos here. Really good tacos that they both have. A couple of ours. I've never heard a couple of these. A couple of them have, a couple haven't. First Christian Church. There's mine right here, so we're going to cut this way.
Wow, that's cool.
We're trying to find tractors now. They're right over there. They got more food trucks. Lots of food trucks. Lots of people out here. Kettle corn, ice cream. Well, they have all kinds of stuff around here. They got pumpkins here for sale, looks like. Oh, excuse me. They got pumpkins and all kinds of. They're doing something in there, in the event center there. Got some mums. Looks like that's going to be all of our walkthrough here at the booths at Columbus Days 2025. And I'll see you guys in the next video.